Cool. We got a very interesting little liqueur today. Distilled non-alcoholic spirit drink made with classic rum, spices, and natural botanicals. Marie Laveau. Witchy drink.
Yeah, I saw this on social media and I thought, why not try it? It's a white rum. I love rum. And we're going to make a Nojito out of it today. I'm going to muddle up some mint with some lime juice first.
Yeah, inspired by legendary Marie Laveau, voodoo queen and spiritual healer from New Orleans. Yeah, Marie Laveau is definitely an icon in New Orleans. My wife worked at the Marie Laveau voodoo shop. She was a Catholic hairdresser who had this network of spies that was inside of all the rich people's houses. So when she would cast her spell, she could actually make things happen because she had the social network behind the scenes to kind of make things work.
And we'll do 2 ounces in our Nojito with soda water, lime juice, and mint.
And you're using Topo Chico?
I am. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm going to put in a little bit more. I feel like the flavor is very subtle. It's very refreshing though. Love lime and mint in the summer. Alright, let's try that again. Yeah, it's very subtle, right?
There's a little heat in there. Very little heat.
It's not blowing me away compared to Ritual Rum, which immediately has a strong caramel, rummy flavor. Because I feel like the lime and the mint are just overpowering everything in there.
Got some of the pepper.
Yeah.
The flavor, yeah, it's just not anything. I get a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of...
That's what it tastes like. It tastes like watered down vanilla extract to me.
Yeah. Curious, right? Like it's not bold. There's a lot of drinks that we've had that at least have a flavor that's gonna, whether you like it or not. But this is just, it is not magical.
No. Let me try it with just soda water and not any lime or mint.
It almost disappears in the soda water, right?
I don't taste the vanilla anymore in the soda water.
Okay, so this is $25 on Amazon. Drinkability scale, like a 2 or a 3?
2 or a 3.
Well, can't win them all.
Sorry.
Next.